Hey guys, it's springtime, and having said that, we're going to come out here to my generator shed. We're going to start undoing it and putting it away for the summer. We'll open her up. Now in here, we've got a gas line and we've got a power line. We're just going to pull those inside the shed. But first off, we're going to go over and disconnect the gas over here. That's located down there. Let me just get in here and we'll tackle that. Oh boy. What I got here, the gas is shut off. We're just gonna, just a quick connect. I'll pull back on it, and that's it. We'll put the protective cap on it. Put the protective cap on this. And that's all set. And we'll push this over here. We'll get that inside the shed. Been a long winter. Long, tough winter here in Rhode Island. This is where it goes, in here. Just feed her in. All right. Yeah. That's all set now until next fall when we set it up again. Now we're going to pull the 50 amp house circuit off. You can see that right down here. See that right over here. This has a collar on it that screws it into the receptacle. And then we're just going to twist it, pull it out, put that there. This is going to come inside. Very simple. That 50 amp cord, boy, that's heavy. I wonder why it was so expensive. I kid you not on that. That's it. That's all our wires inside. Definitely going to be doing an oil change on this a little later this year. Okay. Button this back up. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.